Today guys, I'm very excited na nandito na sa aking table. Itong tatlong gamit na i-upgrade ko para sa aking desktop. And I have here is one Seagate na FireCuda 530, AISURIX na graphics card, and MACHENIKE na KT68 na mechanical keyboard. Samahan niyo ako, buksan natin. Hi guys, ako pa si Richard ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So here, simulan muna natin with my favorite na storage. Si Seagate na gaming na FireCuda 530. It's a PCIe na Gen 4 NVMe SSD na may heatsink siyang kasama. And this one is a 1 terabyte na storage which can transfer speed is up to 7,300 Mbps. Ang bilis niya guys. It's also recommended for PlayStation 5. It comes together with a 5 years na limited warranty. Inside we have the user manual. Ito na yung ating FireCuda 530 na may heatsink. Ganda niya, no? And it looks really nice. And alam naman natin, paggawa naman ng Seagate, definitely the quality is definitely good and long-lasting. I've been using Seagate for quite some time already and, well, I'm quite happy with the performance. Siyempre, itong FireCuda na to is no exception. And bubuksan na natin ang AISURIX na graphics card. And this one is quite new for me, itong brand na to. And it's a RX na 580 na 8 gigs. So, powered to by AMD, no? So, tingnan natin what are the stuff inside. Sabi na dito, it gives you more realistic photos, more cool games, more HD video, and better performance. And hindi naman sobrang mahal to AISURIX, no? Roughly nasa around 5,000 pesos. I'll be linking on the description box below. If you're looking for a graphics card na affordable, you can consider this one. So, may quick manual tayo sa loob. Nakabalo siya sa anti-static na bag, no? So, to make sure na protected siya. We have this cable na kakailanganin natin later. Buksan natin. Whoop. So, ganito itsura nito, no? So, definitely, it's dalawang fan. And, ang kita natin dito ang kanyang copper na tubing sa cooling system niya. And ito kanyang mga heatsink, kita natin. Sa likod, meron tayong isang DVI port, tatlong DP port, and isang HDMI port. Basically, ito ang kanyang specs, no? AMD na RX580 na 8 gigs, DDR5 siya. And yung likod niya is definitely very clean. Sarap tingnan. Probably the only thing na hanapin ko dito siguro is RGB lights, which definitely wala. Kasi budget lang siya. So, buksan natin, kita natin ito kanyang socket. So, AMD, logo is here. Paikotin natin. Andito ang pin ng kanyang fan. And of course, ang MACHENIKE na KT68 na mechanical keyboard. So, one of my favorite brands to, si MACHENIKE. So, ganda, no? Color purple ang kanyang box. This is the color of the year na pinauso ng BTS. Purple na purple ang kanyang box, no? Astig. Ayan na. Ganda ng unboxing experience nito, ah. So, we have this cover. Ganda, oh. Keyboard cover. Inside, we have some user guide, ang kanyang receiver, and of course, ang kanyang keycap remover. Buksan natin. Ganda. Kapit lang natin to. Para pakinggan natin. Nice. Magandang kanyang sound. And for me, masarap ang feel na itong keyboard na ito. And of course, alam na natin gawa ni MACHENIKE is something nice and something different. And what I like is meron pa siyang keyboard cover which definitely is for me the winner dito sa kanyang keyboard. No? So, tingnan na natin quickly around it. And ganda ng mga prints niya. No? 4,000 mAh ang battery. You can go cable or go wireless. Ako, definitely I'll go wireless. Type-C port. Kita natin, RGB lights is lighting up. Hilain na natin. So, na-mount na natin ating AISURIX na graphics card. So, nakamount na siya ng properly. Kapit na natin ang power niya and everything. Plus, ang FireCuda natin na 530 is also mounted. So, how about let's give it a try kung how this one can perform. So, in order to install the proper drivers, punta lang kayo sa amd.com. Search nyo lang si 580, RX580 para lumabas ang yung mga drivers, no? So, easy lang. Just quick install lang. Then, saglit lang. Tapos na kayo. So guys, right now, maglalaro na ng couple of games dito using the AISURIX na graphics card na RX580 together with yung ating KT68 na keyboard from Machenike. And of course, inside dito na-install na natin sa ating main drive si FireCUDA 530 ni Seagate. So, we'll be playing Call of Duty na Modern Warfare 2 and of course, tatry din natin si Forza Horizon 4. So, itatry natin itong mga games na ito to see if I would be able to play them smoothly or mafe-feel ko na medyo magtatrato sa ng puti dahil, you know, na medyo budget na graphics card itong sinalpak natin. But I believe should be able, makakapagpiga siya ng something dito sa graphics card na ito. Basta, subukan natin. So after playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, I can say the graphics is quite okay, but I can say that it could have been better. But at this price point, the AISURIX RX580 can definitely perform, was able to give me that good gaming experience. But of course, don't expect it to be performing like the 3060, 3080, but this one for its price point, I can say it's already good enough. Before I proceed to Forza Horizon 4, I can say that this one, Machenike KT68, is a really nice keyboard. This one has two colors, either go for the black or the white color, but this one for me, the black color suits definitely my theme. And I can say that this one, you have the volume knob over here. It's a quick control for volume control, and this one, it's an easy button just for putting it back to the home screen, just like that. And this keyboard, definitely, I can say that it was really giving me that good gaming experience. And using it for typing, for gaming, the Machenike KT68 definitely is a nice keyboard to have, especially when you love mechanical keyboards. This one is definitely a good choice. Horizon Pass. Now guys, you've seen me play the Forza Horizon 4, and I can say that the gameplay is not super smooth. because this one is a more graphics intense game, therefore it needs more resources, and the RX580 from AISURIX was, well, able to hold up, but of course it's not enough. This one needs more resources, but you can always tune down your settings here and to give you a little bit more smoother experience. But overall, I can say that this one's playable. If you're having a budget graphics card for around 5,000 pesos, being able to play Forza Horizon 4 is definitely not so bad after all. And of course, together, this one, I was able to pair it with Seagate FIRECUDA 530. This one was able to load the game quite fast, and booting up is also fast. And I believe that the Seagate FIRECUDA 530 is one of the best gaming SSD out there in the market that you can grab for, of course, your gaming setup. It comes either in 1TB or 2TB in storage. And of course, this one's MACHENIKE KT68. I can say that I love this keyboard, especially with the color combination between black, pink, blue, and of course, purple. These are probably the good combination between colors for a nice keyboard like this one, and it's also RGB, but of course it's not really that evident, especially I have my lights turned on, but definitely this one gives you that great experience. Either go for gaming, for just typing or Word document, or you're just simply chatting on Facebook. So guys, if you like what you've seen here, AISURIX RX580 graphics card, and of course the MACHENIKE KT68 and the FIRECUDA 530, I'll be posting all the links on the description box below. Just check it out. And so if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads here from my channel. And so I'm Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?